Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do the master cylinder on my 74 Chevy and probably some other brake stuff, specifically with the rears. I know the fronts have been replaced fairly recently and I messed with the rears, except I left my e-brake on and drove all the way to town and back, which is like 45 minutes plus. And then realized when I got back that my e-brake was on, so it needs adjusted, and checked out and made sure I didn't break any of the hardware or anything like that. I don't think it did. I think it just needs adjusted. But I know my master is bad because as you sit at a stoplight, the pedal will slowly bleed off and my rear brakes aren't working very well. And they weren't working very well before I drove with the e-brake on. So that's the project for the day. A little bit of a short one, hopefully, but it'll do. And this is what we're starting with. Okay, I apparently don't need to adjust the rear brakes because we just slammed on the brakes over there and the rear tires were locking up, which they didn't lock up that time, but it definitely stops nicer than it did before. And once we get down to the bottom of this hill, I'm going to see if the pedal's still bleeding off. Actually, we'll just do it right here. We'll just count to 30 and see. 1, 2. Alright guys, so this week was just a super short video. I kind of apologize because I didn't have time to do anything super fancy. I hope you guys were okay with that. But with it being a short video, I just wanted to put out there, I am putting a video out every Wednesday. I haven't missed one yet since I started the channel. I'm trying really hard to make sure it happens, even if it's not the greatest video in the world. Speaking of the greatest video in the world, I am really trying hard to improve my editing skills. So if there's something you guys are seeing that you don't like or that's unpleasing, I can fix it. Just let me know. I'm still learning. With that being said, I have a million projects as well. And so if there's a specific project you guys want to see, let me know and I'll make a video on that. I've got dirt bikes, I've got snowmobiles, I've got trucks, I've got cars, I've got, street bikes. I've got just a little bit of everything, and it's all kind of going on at once. And so sometimes I struggle a little bit to pick which one to show you guys, but if you guys want to see a specific one, I'll make more videos on that. If you just let me know in the comments. I appreciate all your guys' support. Thanks for subscribing and watching.